Hey guys, bit of an odd video for you, but this happened today and it is wild. Just wild. So I'm on the M61 and I'm looking at the junction about to come off and someone is coming up towards me the wrong way. So I think this must be some old fella who's somehow managed to get himself turned around. He's now coming onto the oncoming traffic, 70-mile-an-hour traffic. Ignore the pink trees, I don't know why they're pink in this. They now continue down the motorway, and in a second you'll see they put the brake lights on. They're about to turn in the motorway. This is two young lads, and they're driving like they've nicked this car, which I feel like they probably have done. Now, with hindsight, should I have done this? Should I have tried to stop them? I don't know. All I thought was, if it's car v car, that's someone dying, 100%, or multiple people dying. Whereas if it's a truck, nowhere near as bad. What's surprising here is how quickly my perceptions of the situation changed. It went from, I know exactly what's going on, to, what the hell is happening right now? And it was just seconds. It felt like a lot longer, but very, very quick. But there you go. What do you guys think? Was I right? Was I wrong?